Hey guys, it's me again. If you want to know how to get tousled, sexy beach waves, then I've got the tutorial for you. So get rid of that hat and let's go. So I washed my hair probably 2 days ago. So I'm trying to go between my washes a little bit longer to improve the health of my hair. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to show you how I get like a tousled beachy wave look. This is the curling wand that I use. Actually, let me turn it on. That would be helpful. It is a T3. It's kind of pricey, but you can use the Bedhead TG. It looks just the same. Just make sure it has like the tapered wand and it works just as well. So I like to use this barrel. I think it's, I don't even know what the inches are. Let's see. Does it say it on here? We're gonna use a wand like this. You can do this lickety-split. It's not going to take you very long to do your hair. We're going to use bigger chunks. And even though our wand isn't that chunky, we're gonna use bigger chunks of our hair, and that's gonna give us the desired look. Get some sort of heat protectant. So here's mine. I like this one. It's an iron guard. It works perfectly. You can get any brand you want, but this is pretty nice. I'll link it below if you're interested. And I want you to just kind of like what I do. So I'm not gonna show you each time I curl my hair, but basically I'll take the chunk that I'm gonna curl and I start from the back and I just spray it down, okay? And brush it out a little bit. Brush it out and then let it dry. You don't wanna curl your hair until it's not wet from your heat protectant spray. My hair takes 2 seconds to dry, so I'm gonna get started. So I have a nice big chunk here, not like this, like this. And you're gonna take it, and I'm taking big chunks because I don't want it to be super ringlet curly. I want it to be like a nice tousled, sexy wave that's gonna last me. So I just take it and wrap it. Okay, you're gonna wrap it and then don't take it all the way. Okay, you wanna kind of keep a little bit of the ends out. Otherwise it's gonna look like, you know, curly Q. Don't want that. Okay, so we're gonna leave that, let it go. Okay, it's gonna kind of look like this wave here, okay? Can't see it as well because my hair's darker in the back. Give it a little springy tug and we're gonna take another piece. I took another chunk of hair and now I'm gonna take it and wrap it back. Leave a little bit out. Boom. Tug. Okay, looks good. Look how little my hair is. I only need about 4 each side. Okay, so here we go. If your hair is thicker, you're probably gonna have to hold this a little bit longer. But as you can see, I mean, mine is like boom, especially because my hair is, you know, I washed it a few days ago or 2 or I don't even know, 2 or 3 days ago. And especially because of that, it's gonna go even quicker. Now the front, be careful because you really don't, see, this is good. If you have hair like mine, you only wanna hold it for like 3 seconds max in the front. If your hair is thicker, you're gonna go a little longer, but make sure you still didn't hold it as long as you did when you're doing the back of your hair. So now let's do the other side. Wrap and hold. Whoa, I left that on too long. See that? Tug that, I gotta tug that out. Goodness. Oh my God, yes. Okay, so now I'm gonna let these cool a little bit before I shake them out. If you can see how they look, all right? You see that? Now, I've let my curls cool. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to just take my fingers. Remember I told you these are my favorite tool for everything, which by the way, these nails I know are an atrocity. I can't get into the salons. We're just gonna have to like disregard these. They shall get better. Fluff it out. See how all of a sudden my hair like looks actually like thick, like you wouldn't even know I had that teeny tiny hair from before. So now it's starting to fluff out. Fluff it out. If you have thin hair, just a side note, get highlight. It really helps your hair look like it's got more dimension to it, which makes it look thicker. Went from flat, lifeless hair to party girl, okay? Party girl. I try not to spray my hair too much because if you're doing this on hair that's ready to be washed soon, you probably don't even need to actually spray your hair. I feel like when I don't spray it, when I wake up in the morning, it looks even better. And I might spray it the second day. Now, as the time goes on, it's going to get even better. Now, if you'd like, what I do after maybe like an hour of letting these really just kind of be, and if I want more of a fluffy appearance or an appearance that's a little bit less ringlety, I will actually brush it out. Kind of brush it out a little bit. A little brush out. Okay? And then just mess with the front. Okay, so there it is, and we are finished. If you have trouble with your thin hair and you really want to make it look better, try this out. Make sure you get yourself a wand. So thank you for joining me. I hope this helped you guys today. If you have already subscribed, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. If you have not subscribed yet, please consider. I will have more tips coming your way. Thank you.